Hi guys, it's me Shamir, and today I'm going to be making a brand new video. I'm going to be making a full Nintendo Switch in Minecraft. So guys, I actually got the new Bedrock update for the Nintendo armor. You don't need this update guys. I'm just saying you don't need the update. It can be on any version of Minecraft guys. So what you're going to need for this build is Wither Skeleton Skull, two leather helmets, all of the caps guys. Next you are going to need a cauldron. Let me just get a cauldron. Water, a bucket of water to be exact. You're going to need a red dye, a red rose, in the older version it was called red rose guys, or red, yeah, I can't remember exactly. So you are also going to be needing blue dye, cyan dye. I prefer cyan dye. And armor stands guys. Get the armor stands out. And two more things guys. Stairs, any stair block, guys. But I like oak, so I'll be going with the oak. And no more oak blocks. So guys, I'm just change the weather. So what you're going to do is, oh, I have to find a place. Let's go here. DJ. So sorry for that guys. You are going to have to dig first 3 blocks away. Place 2 item frame, not item frames, armor stands guys, facing inward, and 1 standing in the center guys. In the center. You want them all to stand straight guys. So now what you want to do is, you can do it on the normal version without letting them stand straight. I prefer this guys. If you don't have the update, it's okay. Let me just set the time today. There we go. Get a cauldron or 2. Fill them both up with water guys. 1 with red dye, and with cyan. Take 1 helmet, dye it cyan, and 1 helmet red. So just equip it onto the edges of the armor stands on the edges, and a wither skeleton skull on the middle. Oh, sorry guys, and you're gonna need a piston, a regular piston, and some sort of redstone activation device. So I prefer a redstone block. We are completely done with the die now, guys. So you guys can take the die away. Place one there and one there. Activated both. And as you guys can see at the top, it's making a Nintendo Switch. And that's where the other blocks come in, guys. So you can destroy these. I'm not gonna be using it. Actually, I have to build like a wall here at the back. Just a normal wall like that, guys. Place a piston facing downward and a stair facing inward. Not like that, guys. Like that. Then you can go and destroy those. Place pistons facing downward on the other sides with the oak wood block. Just place them like that, guys. Now there has to be a wall behind it. It's like an indoor build. Then guys, what you want to do is come on this side, activate them, then you can destroy the pistons. And as you guys can see, you got a display Nintendo Switch. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like down below and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this build and what I should build next. Bye guys.